Hey guys, just taking you guys in a quick Target run with me. TikTok has made me look for the Saltair. Is that what it called? Saltair. I'm looking for the oil, but I think Target only has the body wash. But just to try it out, I will go ahead and look for it. So I am looking at the minis. I love going into Target and looking at the little mini items that they have. Even though y'all know I'm cheap, but I like to call myself frugal. And I feel like a lot of these mini stuff is overpriced. Okay, like $7.99 need to be the price for the regular size. $7.99, like okay. Now some of the stuff is $3.99. Now this I do want to try. I hear so much about the La Roche shake. Y'all know what it is anyway. That was 10. I think 10.99. That was 10.99. But there are some stuff that's like $2.99, $3.99, as you can see here, that you can get a pretty good deal or bargain on. I just love tiny things. Like, I don't know what it is, but I am a sucker for tiny miniature things. If you follow my channel, you know that. So let's get on around here, and then we're going to look for this Saltair product. And if you've tried the Saltair, let me know. Is Instagram just hyping this junk up or what? Here is the new Wet n Wild collection. I was trying to get it out for y'all, but I didn't want to tip their whole thing over holding this with one hand. However, it was really cute. But I didn't buy anything. You guys would be so happy. How did somebody use one whole eyeshadow out of that thing? Did y'all see that? Anyways, the bronzers are cute. I don't know. I may come back for something. I used to collect collectible collections, if that makes sense. But I finally noticed that I was just ending up with so much makeup that I wasn't using. It wasn't even my color, couldn't even be used on me, but I used to just collect the collections. I've kind of gotten away from that. I do like Alice in Wonderland. I may come back at a later date if they have a lip gloss or something that's suitable for me. But right now, let's continue to look for the Saltair products.
Excuse me.
They keep moving them around. So I think I'm on the body wash aisle. I drive all over to different stores when I show y'all stuff. So there it is. There it is. So I don't know the stores. Like I will drive. If I'm somewhere, I will find a Dollar Tree for y'all. I will find a Target for y'all. If I'm way out of my element, I will find it for y'all. So I'm smelling the pink one, which most people hyped up. It smells good, but I'm not going to get it because it was open. Can y'all please stop opening this junk when y'all go to these stores? Please. All right, $11.99 is probably the most I've ever spent for a body wash, but we're gonna splurge. This was the other one, the brown one that everybody ranted and raved about. It is Santal Bloom. Y'all know how I feel about Santal's fragrances, like the Lilabo Santal 33. Y'all know. So I'm gonna grab this one. It was kind of hard to hold a phone in my hand and try to smell all of these. So next time I will smell the orange, the blue, the green, and the black. If you've tried it, let me know. And let me know which one is your favorite. I don't know how often I'll splurge on this at $12. We'll see. I mean, we'll see how good it is. Because, honey, Dove is like $6.99, $7.99. The Olive Olay. And y'all around here on TikTok talking about what? And so I want to get the body oil to this, but I want to try the body washes first so I can get my favorite scents. Because the body oils are running about $22. But I don't know. I don't know. I'm learning not to go run and buy everything everybody is showcasing on TikTok. You don't really know if they really like it or if they just trying to hype up a product for you to buy for their views or whatever the case. All right. You just don't know. So I'm going to go ahead and check out of here. I found what I was looking for. So they have 15 registers and 2 cashiers. One girl walked by me and was like, I swear, Target is turning into Walmart. And she was not lying. Honey, baby child, where the workers at? I don't understand why I have to work a full-time job and nobody else don't. Okay, first of all, I'm gonna frequent this Target or drive or to this Target was not out of anything, y'all. The Makeup Revolution spray that I had been going to so many Ultas looking for, they won out of it. They have their makeup collection on fleek. Okay. The only thing they didn't have is Elf came out with a new like glow. Y'all know what I'm talking about? I was looking for it, but I don't see it here. And Ulta was out, of course. There is a new like glow concealer or something, highlighter that I'm looking for that I want to try by Elf. They didn't have it here, but they did have a lot of the Elf products, including the skincare line, the beauty blenders, the setting sprays, honey. They were out of nothing, baby. This Target was out of nothing, honey. So we're going to walk around and see what else they have. And do not forget about your soap and glory, honey. I will forever tell y'all about this. Remember, it has to be the bergamot. I'm getting this Saltair right now. But that bergamot body wash and that lotion, I told y'all that's a Chanel dupe now. It is $8.99, $9.99, cheaper than Ulta. So I already have some. But I'm going to try this Saltair. But trust me, I will not run out. Okay? I will not run out. She is about that life. So if you haven't tried it, go pick it up and come back and comment under one of these videos and let me know. And y'all help a sister out. Like, I'm almost 7, 8, 9 years deep. Can I get some more subscribers? Can y'all click, tag, and share some of these videos? I mean, tag a friend. You heard me? And if you haven't tried this right here, that one that I just showed y'all, that Maybelline, try it. Try it. It covers better than the foundation. Better than the foundation. Try it. I love it. Okay. And this store was stocked with what is this, Black Radiance, stocked with Black Radiance, even skincare. I never seen this coffee break skincare. Like, I gotta remember to drive up to this Target. This Target was out of nothing, y'all. Out of nothing. When I say yes, you stood in line forever because they were out of cashiers, they were not out of products. Okay. They had so many products that I had not seen in Targets anywhere near my area, honey. Look at the sticks. Do y'all remember when I went in Target and they didn't have any of those foundation sticks left? Y'all remember? Child.